Billie Eilish, May Arden Soft.
Yung pang 2 p.m.
Apo.
Ilan?
Isa lang po.
Bilang si Troy available. Taas, baba, bounce room.
Ito pong 18. Sa kanan po.
Anong
Letter C.
C? 18 ata?
Apo. Apo.
Malapit na sa screen.
Apo.
Sure ka, sir? 360. Same bills.
Apo.
Pakuha ng
Got the tickets. We are watching Billie Eilish, Hit Me Hard and Soft, the movie. Oras pa lang is 12 noon. Eat muna tayo ng lunch. So, tapos na akong kumain ng lunch. Kumain ako ng lunch sa Amakdo kasi budget tayo. For Billy lang talaga tayo mamaya. We have 1 hour pa to go to the cinema. Pero mga 15 minutes before, dapat nandun na tayo. So we don't want to miss a second sa movie. So mag-iikot-ikot na lang tayo dito kasi wala naman akong dapat bilhin kasi nga for Billy lang tayo. Budget tayo. Budget tayo. Let's go. Budget tayo. Budget tayo. Grabe, yun daw pala sinabi ko na yung spelling ng Billy. So, I get the name right na lang. It's 1:45. I need to be there. Thankfully, minadagdagan ng 4. Dalawa lang kami. Kanina, mag-1 na. Nakikita ko naman sa app na kung ilan yung seat taken sa cinema. And then yun. Buti, minadagdagan ng 4. Kundi para ang awkward namin doon kung magkakakanta kami doon. Pero yun naman, sana mabait sila. Budget tayo. Let's go. I'm inside the cinema now. And ang ganda na spot ko. Not gonna lie. Third row seat. Tama ka, Billy. If you are here, you would sit in the third row seat. Perfect spot. Perfect seat. And fun fact, 6 lang kami dito. Kakahiwalay kami. Guys. Kilig ako. What the hell are you talking about? You say no one knows you so well, but every time you touch me, I just wonder how she felt. Goldwing. Please plug me in. Whoa, why is she looking at me like that? This is for you. I like when you get mad. I guess some oh my god. Oh no. Irene. Oh my god, girl. I'm a bad boy. I think it's next is the guitar songs. Sana TV, sana TV. Shit, TV nga. Oh, your power. You still cry. All of my friends are missing again. When we are fall asleep, where do we go? Bury a friend. Cause I can't say no, no, I can't say no. Just set emotion. Walang tayo guys. Gusto kong magtatalon.
Everybody in this room, I need you to get down as low as you possibly can get right now.
Oh, they're gonna jump. Guys, nakaupo lang sila. Jump.
Here we go.
Jump.
2, 1, 2, 3, jump!
Kaya ano ako, mag-isa lang ako, diba? Yes!
Go crazy with me, come on!
Yes! 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 1, 2, 3, I wanna guess what me and Billy are texting about. We don't wanna guess if we're serious about this song. Biglang ganon. But when I wake up, I see you with me. Oh my god. You were so mediocre, and we're so glad it's over now. Cause you only listen to your fucking, and I don't relate to you. Baka ito lang yung alam nila.
I love you so much!
Don't wanna say goodbye. I love you, don't act so surprised.
Love you so much!
I love you. Ako na lang pala mag-isa. Guys, ako na lang pala mag-isa dito. I'm the only one here. Thank you, Billy. I love you. The colors is blue. It was so cool. Yung nakatalon sa jump sa isang banda. Ito yung clip na yun.
Everybody in this room, I need you to get down as low as you possibly can get right now.
And then, I can't jump kasi para akong malilim kasi ako lang isang tagalon doon. So I have to mag-jump. So, I have no choice but to head down na lang so that I can enjoy din naman the music. So, I think hindi sila masyadong fun. We just know na yung mga sikat na songs like Lovely, Birds of a Feather, Bad Guy, What Was I Made For, yung mga buti na lang, ako lang yung nasa row at saka pinakamalapit ako. So, best part. So, nakakanta din naman ako kapag-enjoy kahit mag-isa. Until the next one. We're going home na. Bye!